Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can sell the Shiba Inu on Binance. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account, use our link in the description to sign up and verify. And with the verification done, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates. So guys, with your account verified, head over to the wallet section at the bottom right. Once there, scroll from the overview to the spot or funding depending on where your SHIB is stored. As you can see, I've got some Shiba Inu here. So how can I sell my SHIB? Head over to the home section, click on the convert feature, and where we have the spot wallet, click on Bitcoin and select Shiba Inu. And simply search for USDT, click on the USDT, click on max and click on preview conversion and simply convert. By doing this, we have successfully converted our Shiba Inu to USDT. Head back home, close the convert feature, head to the wallet section, scroll from the overview to the spot, and when you've located your USDT, click on transfer, and now simply click on max. So we're simply transferring from spot to funding. Click on confirm transfer, scroll to the funding, and simply click on the P2P option. And where we have the buy and sell feature, head over to the profile icon. At the profile icon, we get to set our payment method by clicking on the payment method icon and adding a payment method. Now, one thing you need to know, the payment method varies on your location. So each location has their own payment method and payment system. So head home, click on sell, and now simply click on any of the merchant with a verified tag by their name. Click on the sell option, enter the amount you wish to sell, and simply click on sell USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.